Well, we're out for another ride today. Today we're at Stockbridge, and they're having the All Clubs event here. And they have it twice a year, once in the spring and once in the fall. It's not a beautiful day, but it's not a bad day either. So we're gonna walk around, we're gonna check them out right now. The bike, whoops. Well, that's the bikes. Not as many here in the fall as there was, or end of summer as there was in the beginning of the summer, but still a pretty good turnout. A lot of people come out to see the different clubs and the different bikes that they have here. Some of them are pretty cool. I especially like the older bikes. Always try to look for the bike, my very first bike, a Yamaha 100 Twin. And that was when Autolube first came out. So of course I had to get one of those. That was faster than the Honda and faster than the Suzuki at the time, and I was only 16 years old. So yeah, pretty good turnout, and I think it's about time to get underway. So until the next ride.